Alright, yung gabi sa tanan. Let us now proceed to our next topic, which is the cardiovascular system. Guys, di rin na masugod ang boring siya slide para sa akon ang muni nga topic. Ay, galol sila. Nakita mo na. Boring siya gawa kay cardio. Budlay man siya, budlay siya guys. Pero, kamo man niya mo kaya niya man niya. Sus, kamo pa. Okay. Bear with me, boring na siya gawa, pero sige lang, okay? Magawa siya sa exam, ng mga topics dire. Si cardio, guys, tatlo siya ka part. Okay? Part 1, part 2, part 3. So, dire part, try natin paigoon within isa lang ka video, ang ini, ng topic. So, let's go. Cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system. It is made up of the heart and blood vessels. Of course, magamit ang cardio, heart lang na siya, guys. Ginpanami lang ang term. Okay? The main functions of the system are delivering oxygen and nutrients to the cells of the body, removing waste products, and maintaining perfusion to the organs and tissues. So, damo, gid siya ginaobra, guys. Sa mga importante, si cardiovascular system or si heart. The heart is the pump that drives circulation of the blood, and blood vessels are the pathways to and from the tissues. Blah, blah. Location of the heart and great vessels. The heart is a hollow muscular organ a little larger than the patient's fist. So, dako-dako lang gamay sa inumol mo. Okay? Dako lang gamay sa inumol mo. It lies in the pericardial cavity, in the mediastinum, under the sternum, and between the second and fifth intercostal space. So, lies in the pericardial activity, during pericardium, mediastinum, dire, and under the sternum, dire guys, okay? Sternum, and between the second and fifth. So, second, one, two, kag between sang fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, diri siya. Diri siya dampi. Okay? Ari siya. Nan. Okay? About two-thirds of the heart lies to the left and the midline of the sternum. So, laban si heart sa left gid. Okay? So, ang another one-third is sa right. About two-thirds area extension. Note that the heart is rotated to the right ventricle, occupies most anterior cardiac surface. The chamber in the pulmonary, blah, blah, blah. Okay, the right ventricle narrows as it rises to meet the pulmonary artery just below the sternal angle. This is called the base of the heart and is located at the right and second intercostal spaces next to the sternum. So, areo, para ma-inbudlay, mag-haum-haum. Makita nyo na. Base of the heart. Hmm. Arao, base, dere. Apex, ang bako ng apex, di ba ang punta? Dere siya. Muning punta na apex. Okay? Base, babaw. Left ventricle, blah, blah, tapered tip, often termed as the cardiac apex. Ginamba ko ng apex. Amo to. It is clinically important because it produces the apical impulse, identified during palpation of the precordium as the point of maximal impulse. Anong point of maximal impulse? PMI. Okay, point of maximal impulse. This impulse locates the left border of the heart and is normally found in the fifth intercostal space. Ikalima, diris dalom gawas to nga. Okay, 7 cm to 9 cm lateral to the mid-sternal line. So, mid-sternal line, gamay lang nga centimeters, guys. Medyo to the left, mid-clavicular line. Diri siya. Nan. Okay, good lie. Hindi naman makita, sir. Dapat kwaon ng joke. Okay, in supine patients, the diameter of the PMI largest quarter. Similar displacement of the PMI lateral to the midclavicular line or 10 cm lateral to the midline line also suggests LVH or enlargement. Relation of auscultatory findings sa chest wall. Hi, auscultatory findings sa chest wall. Auscultation, di ba? Auscultate, gapamati. Anong relate ya sa pagpamati natin sa chest wall? Kaya di ba chest wall, dire? So, dire kita mamati. So, auscultation, mati sa sound sa chest wall. Okay, the locations on the chest wall where heart sounds and murmurs are heard to help to identify the valve or chamber where they originate. Okay, the sounds produced by the heart valves travel with the flow of blood. Mo lang na. This is pretty much it. Sounds and murmurs arising from the mitral valve are usually heard best at around the cardiac apex. So, diri na siya. Amo na mamati kita, diri na. Kay diri gina mabatian ang murmurs or ang sound ya sa mitral valve dire. Okay, magyan na karon araw si mitral valve nan. So, diri ang apex ng heart, tama? Diri ang apex ng balko dira. O apex, so diri ang mitral valve. Aortic diri, aorta, pulmonic diri, tricuspid dire. Sige na. Blah, 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 intercostal. Conduction system. Conduction. Wow, conduction. Sakto, ginmando electricity ang conduction system niya. An electrical conduction system stimulates and or coordinates the contraction of cardiac muscle. Amo na siya gali, sir, nga kinahanglan sang gamo na, 'di ba? Kay nga ginabalik ang conduction system or electrical conduction sang heart para ma-revive ang patient. Balik kita. Each electrical impulse is initiated in the sinus node, a group of specialized cardiac cells located in the right atrium near the junction of the vena cava. Sinus nodes, this impulse, here is the impulse, blah blah blah, atrioventricular node. AV node, the impulse travels both atria, dilis to nga, and AV node, special group of cells located below in atrial septum. The heart as a pump. So not only nga conduction system siya, nga may electrical impulse dira, but also nagapump siya. The left and right ventricles pump blood into the systemic and pulmonary arterial trees, respectively. Cardiac output, the volume of blood ejected from each ventricle during 1 minute is the product of heart rate and stroke volume. Amo na ginambal naton, di ba ang 1 minute mamati kamo to, pamatian to, kung dire mag-check sang mitral valve, pag-check di 1 minute, amo na siya ang product sang heart rate or stroke volume. So aring example sang ari na lang. Mm.
The first heart sound, lub, also known as S1.
Dugay-dugay lang. Okay. Stroke volume, okay? The volume of blood ejected with each heartbeat. Okay? Depends in turn on preload. Myocardial contractility and afterload. The volume of blood ejected with each heartbeat. So, ang stroke volume, ang stroke ya, volume, amo na siyang volume sang blood nga gina-eject kada heartbeat. So, that's your stroke volume. Preload refers to the load that stretches the cardiac muscle before contraction. The volume of blood in the right ventricle at the end of diastole then constitutes its preload for the next beat. So anong diastole? Siya si S2 sound. Si systole, S1. Diastole, S2. Okay, karon lang na may S2 half to. Half sang S2 do like tatlo, ikatatlo nga beat. Okay, balik kita. Myocardial contractility, myocardium, uh, refers to the ability of the cardiac muscle when given a load to contract or shorten. Contractility increases when stimulated by the sympathetic nervous system and decreases when blood flow or oxygen delivery to the myocardium is impaired. Contract bla naga-contract. Ah, myocardium parts ng heart. Oh, ari si myocardium ho. Hindi ko myocardium. Hmm. Hindi ko dako na bala. Naawala ay gina Ari. Apex man na da pero sa dalom na da siya. Okay? Basta myocardium, ay, tama kagamay man man. Ano naman? Ari, the layer of the heart wall in between the epicardium, the outer layer, and the endocardium inner layer. Basta sa tunga, guys, ang dako na bla na si myocardium, contract, naga-contract siya. So, na, myocardium contractility. Afterload, kay may preload gina. Afterload refers to the degree of vascular resistance to ventricular contraction. Resources of resistance to left ventricular contraction include the toe and the walls of aorta, blah, blah, blah. Arterial passes and blood pressure. With each contraction, gid ba kada kontrakto, the left ventricle ejects a volume of blood into the aorta and on into the arterial tree. The ensuing pressure waves moves rapidly through the arterial system where it is felt as arterial pulse. Arterial pulse. Blood pressure in the arterial system varies during the cardiac cycle, di ba? Cardiac cycle peaking in systole and falling to its lowest through in diastole. These are the levels that are measured with the blood pressure cuff or sphygmo. Difference between systolic and diastolic pressure is known as the pulse pressure. So, ang difference yan na. So, for example, ang imo nga BP is 120/80. Okay? So, pila ang pulse pressure ya? 40. Kaya nga, difference gani isang diastolic kag systolic. Sang systolic kag diastolic. So, systolic minus ang diastolic, amo na si pulse pressure. So, 120/80, ang pulse pressure is 40. Gets? Pulse pressure. Guys, magdalom na karon sa cardiac nyo, like ano na tunaan nyo kung wide ang pulse pressure. So for example, 120/60 siya. 'Di ba? Lawig ang pulse pressure. Do, do 60 siya o 60 ang pulse pressure, okay? 120/60, 120 or 130/70. Do mo na bla, do ka haba, do ka lapad sa pulse pressure. Tunaan nyo na siya guys sa uli. Okay? Jugular vein undulations. Undulations is movement. Ginpanami lang ang term, movement. The oscillations visible in the internal jugular veins and often in the externals Reflect changing pressures within the right erythroid, blah, blah, blah. JVP, jugular, jugular venous pressure reflects right atrial pressure, which in turns equals CVP. And right ventricular and pressure. JVP is estimated from the right internal jugular vein. So jugular vein, are, jugular vein, dire, lapit lang sa sternocleidomastoid yung muscle, dire. Jugular vein, dira na siya gina-estimate. So are si, mm. Actually, hepatojugular reflux ni ang normal, ang normal JVP, are lang. Explain ko rin karon si hepatojugular reflux. Ay, ano ba? Musta tayo? Charot. Muna siya. Ari siya. Amo na siya ang mag-check kita sang JVP. Okay? Jugular venous pressure. Ario. JVP. Wala na lang ako. Para makita nyo. Ay, napatay ako ano. Hulo. Okay. Ara na. Gahabok kid. Ginaano na siya ha, gina-estimate na siya or tawag gina-measure na. So, ari ang mag-measure. Nan. Measurement of jugular venous pressure. Nan. Ara. Napahigda, 30 degrees, blah, blah, blah. Nan. Pressure, blah, blah, blah. As for the patient's past history, family history, and cardiac disease, as for lifestyle habits such as nutrition, smoking, alcohol, exercise. Yay! Next! Guys, kaya, guys. Kaya siya paiguon. Okay, 15 minutes lang dapat. 11 minutes na. Tama kalawig to gali. Okay, 13, part 2 na, cardiovascular, preparation of the patient. Paano kita mag-prepare? The patient should be comfortable and calm as anxiety may elevate the blood pressure or change the heart rate or rhythm. So, dapat kalma ang patient. Ipabatsyag naton sa iya nga okay lang ang examination, like wala blasang ika-problema ang patient kay base mag-alleviate ang iya anxiety, maapektuhan iya blood pressure, maapektuhan iya nga heart rate or ang rhythm. So hindi nyo makuha ang normal nga blood pressure or ang normal niya nga state ng patient. Okay? Review the examination procedure with the patient before putting on examination gown. Explain why visualization of anterior chest is important for data gathering. Of course, ang balon mo siya, before ang pasok-sok sang gown nga kinanlan makita gid ang anterior chest. Kag importante na kung mag-data gathering na. Kay nga, amo to gani, di ba may mga barrel chest or sang last to bala, sang last na. Next, the examination gown has the opening in the front, which enable the nurse to open gown as necessary during, sorry, ang opening guys sa tubang ha. Next, equipment needed for examination, stats, pigmo, duwa ka 15 centimeter nga rulers, duwa ka ruler, watch with second hand, okay, watch with second hand, and examination light for tangential lighting. The components of the cardiovascular examination include face. As you're taking the patient's history, inspect the face, lantawan na to ng tsura, guys, kaya nga, ari na siya. Aring namin ko may orbital edema. Look for signs of anxiety, basig gapalak or nakulbaan ng patient, pallor, cyanosis, lapsi, may poor perfusion of oxygen and orbital edema may indicate heart failure. Anxiety occurs during heart attacks. Infants may exhibit circumoral cyanosis with feeding. Ari ang orbital edema. Nan, gahabok. Okay? Great vessels of the neck, the carotid pulse, diri na, okay? Okay. The carotid pulse provides valuable information about cardiac function and is especially useful for detecting stenosis or insufficiency of the aortic valve. Amplitude and contour to assess amplitude and contour of the carotid pulse, the patient should be lying down with the head of the bed elevated about 30 degrees. Amo na ginamba ko nagina, gaigda si patient 30 degrees. Ari na lang oh. Para makita ya. Cardiovascular examination. Gahigda siya, 30 degrees. Naniyaw, mga mo niya higda. Pwede na yung pungko. Pero usually, 30. Grabe, dako dako, art, bala. Basta, 30 degrees. Okay, first inspect the net for carotid positions. Dire, carotid, ang pulso. Check, this may be visible just media to the sternocleidomastoid